So last week I did the closet, and now today we are doing the dresser. So this morning I actually took some time to fold the laundry because I had to go through a few things. So now everything is just kind of laying out on the bed for now. I do have my pile of just like random sweatshirts that I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to do with yet. And then I also do have this like little bin right here that is my maternity clothes. So I am going to go through my maternity clothes very shortly. I did have Ken order me more stuff because I ended up not having enough shorts for the summer, but we are not going to talk about that. We are going to talk about this mess and going through it. I think I'm going to start with the drawers at the bottom so I can move stuff from the top to the bottom. So let's go ahead and clean out the bottom drawers. Now officially everything is organized. So up here I organized my underwear, tank tops, bras. These are shorts of all different types and a skirt in the back, and these are my breastfeeding tank tops, so I want to keep those in there for now. Then what I also did is I organized my socks. These are just like winter socks. These two back here are my compression socks because I had to get compression socks last time during my last pregnancy because my feet and my legs swelled up, so I probably will end up using them. The rest of this is all socks. So what I think I plan on doing is once I go through all of this, I'm going to put some of my maternity stuff here and maybe up here. Not really sure what I'm going to do with this top area now that it's clean, but if it's cleaned out, I can use it for something. And then down here in the first drawer, I did sweatshirts and then pajamas. I took all the pajamas out that were like for winter, put them away, and those are just like pajamas that I could probably wear maybe halfway through my pregnancy until they stop fitting. Of course, these are just in case I want to throw a sweater on. And then this bottom drawer, I'm not going to be able to get open. I like seriously jam-packed. Let me see if I can get this open. I can't, but as you saw in the video, I jam-packed this with all my sweatpants because I don't know what to do with them. And I had the drawer to put them in there. So Now this is officially cleaned, officially ready to go, and my next step is to go through all my maternity clothes. So this feels really nice, and I'm happy that it's done.